Hey, what's going on? Chris Toom here. Thanks for coming to check this video out. Odds are, if you're here, I either gave you one of my business cards, maybe I gave you one of my $1 million bills, or maybe someone else gave you one of my cards or one of my $1 million bills. Maybe you saw this on social media, or maybe someone just shared the video. However, you got here, I'm happy that you're here and I'm happy to introduce this concept to you. I'm going to share my screen and we're going to jump right in. We're going to jump right in here. Today I'm going to introduce you to the guaranteed income replacement package. Now, why would anyone want or need a guaranteed income replacement package? The the majority of Americans today are one tragic accident or one serious health issue away from a financial crisis. And you might even be one of them. Now, why would I say something so bold? Let's take a look at some alarming statistics. 61% of American adults live paycheck to paycheck. That includes almost 50% of people who make over $100,000 a year. And it includes almost 70% of people who make less than $50,000 a year. 57% of Americans can't afford a $1,000 unexpected emergency expense. 53% of Americans don't have an emergency fund. That's 3 to 6 months of living expenses. And that number skyrockets to almost 75% for those who make less than $50,000 a year. The number one cause of bankruptcy in America is medical expenses. The number one cause of stress is money problems. The number one cause of divorce is money problems. So what I want to do is I want to introduce you to a personal finance product that you might be eligible for that will solve almost all of these problems and create peace of mind for you at the same time. It's called the Guaranteed Income Replacement Package. The Guaranteed Income Replacement Package creates guaranteed tax-free money that can be used to replace lost wages, pay out-of-pocket expenses, cover your living expenses, and even help with paying medical bills if disease, disability, or death takes your income away. And it also creates a cash reserve account that grows over time and can be used to provide the funds needed to cover unexpected emergency expenses and build an emergency fund. The Guaranteed Income Replacement Package creates a six-figure financial foundation for you using an affordable permanent life insurance contract that is designed to be with you for the rest of your life. Part one creates that guaranteed tax-free block of cash if disease, disability, or death takes your income away. Now, this includes the traditional death benefit, and more importantly, it includes the living benefits that pay out while you're still alive if you're diagnosed with a critical, chronic, or terminal illness at any time during your life. What's a critical, chronic, or terminal illness? That would be something like cancer or heart disease, or if you were ever in a serious accident and you became permanently disabled. These are examples of critical, chronic, or terminal illnesses. So let's say you have a $250,000 guaranteed income replacement package. It will pay out up to $200,000 tax free while you're still alive if you're ever diagnosed with a critical, chronic, or terminal illness. And the other 20%, that other $50,000, would be paid out tax free when you die and could be used to cover your final expenses. So if you never need the living benefits, you live a long, healthy life like I hope for you, the guaranteed income replacement package would pay out the entire $250,000 when you die. So you'd be able to leave behind a legacy. Now, you're more likely to need the living benefits than you are the death benefit, but having both is important. Part two creates that cash reserve account that grows tax free using the power of compound interest and earns on average 5 to 7% per year. So it's a very conservative growth product. With the cash reserve account, you can fund unexpected emergency expenses. You can create an emergency fund. And if you ever find yourself in a pinch, you can even use the money in this cash reserve account to pay for your life insurance premiums. It can literally pay for itself over time. Now, a portion of your monthly premium goes toward the cost of insurance, which is what creates the guaranteed money that's available if disease, disability, or death takes your income away. Another portion of your premium goes toward that cash reserve account. How much goes where depends on the way your policy is set up and depends on a number of other factors, including your age, health, and character. Now, this is a life insurance product. So the younger and healthier you are, the lower the rates, which is why it's so important to get this locked in as young and healthy as possible. A six-figure guaranteed income replacement package is very affordable for most people. If you're under 40 and you're in good character and good health, a six-figure guaranteed income replacement package can start as low as $10 to $20 a week. And that's about as much as your cell phone bill every month. Only your cell phone bill is never going to create guaranteed tax-free cash when you need it the most. If you're over 40 in good character and good health, you still might be eligible for a six-figure guaranteed income replacement package. I got mine at 47, so I can tell you from personal experience, rates are still affordable, but they will be higher the older and more seasoned you are in life. Now, with a guaranteed income replacement package, you will never put in as much as you'll get out. If you have a $250,000 guaranteed income replacement package, you will never pay in $250,000, but you will always get out at least $250,000. You get tax-free growth, access, and transfer of your money. The money that's in the cash reserve account grows tax-free. You can access it and use it tax-free. If you need access to the living benefits, you can access and use that money tax-free. And then ultimately, when you pass away, that money will transfer to your beneficiaries tax-free. Your money is 100% protected from market losses, taxes, creditors, and litigation. Now, check your local and state laws, but for the most part, the money that is in a life insurance contract is 100% protected from creditors and litigation. That means that if anybody tries to sue you, the money that is inside this contract is typically protected from those lawsuits. You will never participate in the roller coaster of the stock market. Your money is 100% protected from market losses. And as long as you play by the rules, your money is 100% protected from taxes. A guaranteed income replacement package creates peace of mind. You're going to create a six-figure financial foundation. It creates that cash reserve account. Again, that's the money to fund unexpected emergency expenses or to create an emergency fund. And a guaranteed income replacement package creates guaranteed tax-free money if disease, disability, or death takes your income away. And like I said, I personally have a six-figure guaranteed income replacement package, and I'd be happy to show it to you and explain and review everything with you. I think that's very important. I can show you my contract and show you multiple annual statements so you can see what this looks like over a period of a few years. So what are the next steps? If you're ready to see if you're eligible for a guaranteed income replacement package, I want to have a conversation with you. I want to answer all of your questions and help you see if you're even eligible. Now, this is a simple and easy process. First step, you're going to schedule an appointment at a date and time that's convenient to you. I will call you back at that appointment date and time that you selected. We'll have a conversation. I'll answer all of your questions, and then I'll give you a couple of quotes. If you see something that you like that's affordable and fits your budget, it doesn't take any food off the table, we'll submit you with the carrier to determine if you're eligible or not. If you're eligible, if the insurance carrier comes back and says that you are eligible, then you have 10 days to decide if you want to keep your guaranteed income replacement package as is, make changes, or decide you don't want it and just cancel. So the insurance company is going to determine your eligibility, and you get to make the final decision on whether you want to keep that guaranteed income replacement package. The whole process takes about 15 to 20 minutes to determine your eligibility. There's no risk. You're not obligated to anything. You owe it to yourself to find out if you're eligible. So the next step is simply this. Go to that website right there, taxfreemoneyman.com, or click the link in the description for this video. Either way, it'll take you to my calendar. Select a date and time that's convenient for you, and I'll give you a call back. I look forward to having that conversation with you and helping you determine if you're eligible. And if you are, helping you create that financial foundation, that peace of mind using the guaranteed income replacement package. My name is Chris Toom. If you want to follow me on social media, you can find me on Instagram at Tax Free Money Man. I'm doing some really cool stuff over there. So do me a favor, go check me out and give me a follow. If you want to find me on the Florida Department of Financial Services website, I am licensed and insured in good standing. That's my license number, W670286. So you can go check that out as well. Do yourself a favor, go to my website, taxfreemoneyman.com, schedule your appointment. Let's have a conversation. I look forward to talking to you in the near future. Have an amazing day. Be safe out there.